France reaffirmed its unwavering commitment to assisting Ukraine militarily, as announced during a session in the French Parliament. Sébastien Lecornu, the Minister of Armed Forces, outlined a new military assistance plan for 2025, ensuring continued support for Ukraine's defense. This declaration comes at a critical moment, following the recent suspension of U.S. military aid by President Donald Trump. France's approach includes the transfer of decommissioned military equipment, reinforcing Ukraine's capabilities while modernizing its own armed forces. Under this initiative, France will supply Ukraine with a range of military assets being phased out of service. Key items include vehicles de l'Avant blind VB, armored vehicles AMX-10 RCR light tanks and surface-to-air missiles, SAMs, nearing retirement. These reinforcements will enhance Ukraine's ability to defend itself against ongoing threats while simultaneously allowing France to replace older military assets with modernized alternatives. Since the onset of the Russia-Ukraine conflict in February 2022, France has remained one of Kyiv's most steadfast supporters. Prior to the full-scale invasion, France was already a major arms supplier, having exported over €1.6 billion in military equipment between 2014 and 2020. These supplies ranged from helicopters and reconnaissance drones to targeting systems and ammunition. Following the Russian incursion, France significantly escalated its support, delivering substantial military aid while maintaining discretion regarding the exact extent of its contributions. Initial pledges of assistance were made as early as February 26, 2022, followed by multiple commitments throughout the year. President Emmanuel Macron reinforced France's stance in April and May 2022, pledging increased deliveries of military hardware. Among France's most significant contributions have been the delivery of Caesar self-propelled howitzers, AMX-10 RCR light tanks, Akhmet Bastion armored vehicles, and advanced missile systems. The provision of Exocet anti-ship missiles was particularly strategic, aiding Ukraine's efforts to challenge Russia's maritime dominance and safeguard essential trade routes. France also played a pivotal role in training Ukrainian forces. In late 2022, it announced a program to train 2,000 Ukrainian soldiers, later expanding to include 150 French personnel deployed to Poland for additional training operations. Beyond conventional military aid, France has provided cutting-edge weapons such as Scalp EG cruise missiles and ASM Hammer-guided bombs, significantly enhancing Ukraine's strike capabilities. It has also bolstered Ukraine's air defense network with SAMP/T and Crotal NG systems, crucial for countering Russian aerial attacks. Additionally, France has played a key role in intelligence sharing, supplying Ukraine with satellite imagery via its Advanced Series, CSO, Pleiades, and Helios reconnaissance satellites. On-the-ground intelligence support from French security agencies has further strengthened Ukraine's situational awareness. France's contributions extend beyond weaponry. It has supplied logistical and engineering support, including Renault TRM trucks, Peugeot P4 off-road vehicles, and mobile bridging equipment. These assets have been instrumental in maintaining Ukraine's battlefield mobility and operational resilience. As of 2024, France remains one of Ukraine's most dedicated military allies, committing billions in aid and ensuring a steady supply of equipment, training, and intelligence. This steadfast support underscores France's broader strategic objective, upholding European stability and reinforcing democratic values against external threats. By continuing its military assistance into 2025, France affirms its long-term commitment to Ukraine's sovereignty and defense in the face of persistent challenges.